Guys, if your Facebook account is suspended and now Facebook is asking you to verify yourself by uploading a verification selfie or a video, then you are at the right place because in this video, I will show you a step-by-step process to resolve this issue, and as always you will see the live recovery proof in this video. So stay tuned, and guys, this is Asim Arif, and without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, firstly you will need to download this browser named Firefox Nightly. I have given its link in video's description, so download it from there. And after that, as usual, we will go to facebook.com. And then simply let's log in our suspended account here. And you can note down this email address because I will show you the live recovery proof, and this will help you judge that the video is real. Okay, so here you can see, guys, our account is stuck on upload a verification selfie page. And if you will log in this account in official Facebook app, then it will ask you to upload your video and you have to show your face there at different angles. You can also do that if you wish, but for now I'm showing you here in browser. Okay, anyways, let's continue. Here you need to tab on choose photo and then select camera. And now listen me carefully. You have to take your selfie picture outdoor in sunlight and make sure to use a phone with the best camera quality, and you have to take a solo picture, means don't include other people in the shot, and you have to do it as it is as I'm doing here because we only have one chance to recover our account, and if you don't do it correctly your account can also get permanently disabled. Okay, so be careful. After taking the selfie picture, tab on continue highlighted in blue. And then guys, you're gonna see this page. Umar, you submitted an appeal and your account is not visible to people on Facebook and you can't use it. Okay, now simply scroll down and log out your account from this browser by tabbing here and then tab on logout. And now you don't have to do anything more. We just need to wait up to 48 to 72 hours, and don't log in your account during this time period. If you want to check either your account is back or not, you can do so by searching your name from your friend's account, and if it's visible there, it means your account is back, and then you can log in. Now I'm pausing the video here and will be back after getting my account recovered. Guys, I am back after approx 3 days and I was just checking the account status, and here you can see when I logged in the account was recovered and I got a message saying you are back on Facebook and your account is no longer suspended. I know you will not believe until I log in live in front of you, so let's log out and then we will log into this account again. Okay, now I'm going to log in again, and now let's enter the email address, and if you watched this video till here, then you know that it's the same email that was linked with the suspended account. Okay, anyways, let's log in now. And here guys, you can see the account is really recovered, and I hope now everyone watching this video are completely satisfied. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next one. Till that, goodbye.